It's the week of April 29th, 2019. I'm Lee Yang with your weekly market commentary. The USDA's crop progress report was released after the close today. Corn is 15% planted versus the 27% four-year average. Soybean is 3% planted versus its 6% average, and wheat is at 13% compared to the 33% average. Planting progress is behind average, largely due to rain. Flash flooding is expected for much of the Midwest this week, further delaying planting. The wet weather will continue to be a big factor over the coming weeks, and the market will likely respond to the ever-changing forecast. In South America, limited rains across Argentina this week will allow corn and soybean harvesting to progress well. Brazil's soybean harvest could be the second largest on record. Argentina farmers have harvested more than half of their soybean crop, which is expected to be 55 million tons, thanks to mild weather. The entire U.S. soy complex, which includes soybeans, meal, and oil, ended last week with weaker prices as all components hit multi-month lows. This was due to bearish news, including the large U.S. soybean stocks, a promising South American harvest, and little hope for increased trade with China. However, markets could react with more critical trade headlines picking up this week. U.S. exports for corn, soybeans, and wheat continue to be below USDA estimates. It's an indication that the U.S. is less competitive in the world export market. This is largely because of the rising dollar. Russia, Ukraine, Australia, and Canada are finding success in taking sales that the U.S. would otherwise be logging. China will ban imports of pigs from Cambodia after the Southeast nation reported its first case of African swine fever. China is already dealing with its countrywide outbreak of the contagious disease. Follow back up with us on Monday for next week's opening market analysis. Have a great start to your week. If you haven't downloaded our mobile app, go to your App Store or Google Play and search for the Tyson LGS mobile app, where you can sell and manage your grain anytime, anywhere.